Hi everyone. I just wanted to let you know about an amazing offer that Flavourista has to join them this month. Let me tell you why I joined. I'm Teresa Wagstaff, the owner and founder of Yes You Can. I broke my neck many years ago and I lost 25 years out of my life. The last 3 of which I was stuck in a bed, unable to walk. I did learn to walk again, as you all know, but my passion has always been cooking. That passion has always been there since I was a child. I used to watch my mum, who was Maltese, in the kitchen cooking, and I learnt how to cook through her. But now I needed to find a way that I could cook in the kitchen using less time on my feet, because standing actually, hurts my spine. So enter Flavourista. I joined Flavourista because I love teaching people how to cook. I'm actually doing a course at Monash University at the moment, which is food as medicine. I also, so I like to cook healthy meals, but I'm only human and I like to cook unhealthy ones too. So I do a bit of both. As I said, I love having fun in the kitchen. I'm earning money with Flavourista, doing something that I really enjoy. As I said, I absolutely love cooking, but I love eating too. My goal is to have enough money to travel and to help as many women as I can get their families and friends back around the table and cooking again. It's the best possible time that you could have to join me at the moment on this road, and it's a wonderful road to be on. Their kits at the moment to join are only 99 they're reduced from $99 and $149, and they're reduced drastically, so your timing couldn't be better. Please, if you would like to join me, PM me below or ring me and talk to me. I'm available all the time. Leave a comment below, private message me, ring me, do whatever you want. I'm here for you. If you want to look at the products, my website is below too. It's the perfect time at the moment to put cooking in your life and to get people back in your life. Flavourista is the way to do it, and I can show you how, and I'll be your leader and show you how to do it. Not a leader, but just a teacher. I can show you the easy ways of doing it. Okay, thank you very much for your time.